Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other base Faucet website you can claim for your free crypto 20 crypto. With the one Faucet website you can withdraw instantly in your Faucet pay, and you can earn much more if you have referral commission to your account. Okay, this is the FaucetCrypto. This is the new look of the FaucetCrypto. About that I'm making a new video about the FaucetCrypto. This is the all withdrawal proof and the task complete registration users and the earning from this website. This is the all cryptocurrency this website supported to withdraw. Okay, it's very easy. Go to get start making a new account in here. It's very easy to making a new account. I share with you the all step in the past videos. Because of the new look I will be make a new video. Okay, now you can see this website will be, you can create a new account. Just put your name, email, password, confirm password, and just click the I agree and click registration. You can register your account. Okay, I have already account. Okay, and I will be log in my account. Just solve this little capture. Okay, just wait few seconds. This website will automatically log in me. Okay, this is the all website look right now. This is my level 68, and this is the all way you can earn. Okay, the first way is the ready to claim. Ready to claim is the one of the best way. You can earn every 30 minutes you can earn this much coin. Okay, and the coin will be equal to BTC. Okay, you can see 1.34 coin will be equal to this much Satoshi. Okay, and right now the Bitcoin price is very high. Because of that this website pay you least. If the Bitcoin prices come down, this website pay you much more. Okay, just click the coin, don't withdraw after the BTC come down. Okay, then you can withdraw. You can see I earned some coin and 30 seconds will be active. The next one is the PTC ads. You can watch ads and you can earn some coins. Okay, if you watch this ads, it's 30 second 60 second, you earn this much coin. If you watch this one, and this one, this are all available ads in this website. Just click and watch and solve a capture first, and then you can watch it and you can earn some coins with that website. Okay, this is very easy to earn from this website. Okay, wait few seconds and click get started. Wait some seconds. Okay, now you can see the timer is on, and just waiting to finish the timer. Then you can click and you can click continue. You will be back to website. Okay, and wait some seconds. Okay, you can see I will be back, and some error will be I found because I clicked 2 times, but I earn 1. You can see it will be 9 available right now. The next one is the short links. The short links is one of another best way you can earn some cryptocurrency from here. The available short links is this much. If you watch all the short links you can earn this much coin. Okay, and this will be one view, 777 view. Okay, and the next one is achievement. Achievement will be you can earn some coins and some EX to improve your way to earn much more. This is the all achievement you can see, and this achievement is right now is this one is active. just I click, I claim my achievement. Okay, and with 12 seconds every time you come here, this will be didn't have a capture, just waiting 12 seconds, there will be coming a button, and just click get reward. Okay, and you can see this much coin I earn again. And the next one is the offer wall. The offer walls is a lot of offer you can complete, and you can earn much more from the offer walls. Okay, right now I want to share with you the withdrawal. You can withdraw your funds. Okay, daily withdraw this much coin available. Okay, and coin withdrawal will be 7 days, and this is the all available withdraw. This much coin will be equal to BTC, this much Bitcoin, civil and the Bitcoin in this much, digibyte dash, and the all coin is this much. Okay, in the Dogecoin is this much. You can see the ethereum, the Litecoin. This is the Litecoin you can withdraw. I want to withdraw with the Litecoin, or you can withdraw with any cryptocurrency you want. Okay, right now I want to withdraw with Litecoin. Just click Litecoin. This much coin available direct to wallet. If you have wallet address, this is the directly wallet. This much amount will be sent to my wallet address. Okay, direct wallet. This didn't send you to Faucet Pay. And in the BTC you can withdraw with the BTC, you can withdraw to Faucet Pay. Okay, and just click it, withdraw. Okay, put your email address first, the BTC email address from the user dashboard of this website. Okay, you can go to account setting, copy your email address to you put the into Faucet Pay. Okay, come back and put in here, and just you can click withdraw. This website will be send you automatically, but the least amount of this much coin. Okay, if you reach in this much coin, the fees cut this much, and you can withdraw your amounts. And this website pay you 100% and real money without any wasting time. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. I will be withdraw much more cryptocurrency from this website, but a few months later. Right now I didn't work in this website. I have 10 registration users, but active users is 0, and you can see this is all never activate. Okay, and I didn't earn with my referral. Okay, this website link available in description. You can click it and come here, earn free cryptocurrency. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.